Hi guys, it's me, Kitty, and today I'm going to be doing a Q&A. And I know that I haven't done a video a long time, maybe too long, but here I am doing a video. And before I get started, sorry for the background noise. And before I get started, please subscribe, like, and comment if you liked, and subscribe my channel. And I might ask for two little favors. And if you have time, could you? I'm doing another Q&A, and if you can, please, you may be welcome. You are welcome to. I mess up words and stuff. The sentences, so you are welcome to leave any questions in the comment for another Q&A, and so please do that too. And also please triple please subscribe to Union DIYs, which is I'm gonna be leaving in the description down below, and you may check her channel out. So yeah, so let's get on to this Q&A. So my special guest who's going to be asking me questions is Little Kitty. Come on in. I almost called her Little Cheetah. Say hi.
Hi.
And so first question begins.
Why do you pee in your pants and you laugh too much?
Oh God, that's not true. No, I don't. Seriously, was that a joke?
Yeah.
That was so silly. Well, next question.
Why do you like Hello Kitty?
The reason why I like Hello Kitty is because they're so adorable and cute. Yeah, so I have a Hello Kitty for an example. You know what I mean.
Who's that?
Her name is Little Cheetah, and she is a gift. Stop that. She's a gift from my friend. We traded Hello Kitties. I had a big one, and I traded it with her. So yeah. Next question. No.
Why do you like arts and crafts?
Oh, thank you for that question. I never knew that you were gonna ask that, cause I thought you were too silly to ask that. The reason why I love arts and crafts because it gives me the opportunity to become creative and stuff, and sometimes I'm filled with good ideas for art. For an example, oopsie. I would like to show you my art over here.
She just dropped some Hello Kitties.
This Hello Kitty, and over here, and these are my. This is my sister's. This is my sister's. That house is mine.
This is mine.
Everybody knows that. So yeah. With good ideas. So next question. Now.
Why are you so good playing the game catchy?
Oh, that's another amazing question. Eventually, I'm not very. Thank you for asking that, but I can make a few mistakes. The reason why I'm good at this, the game called Catch, is because I practice a lot. And thank you very. I'm gonna say a huge thank you to Little Kitty, because she taught me. She helped me practice my catch skills. So yeah. Next questions. No.
How did you learn to do a computer?
Oh, you mean how did I learn to use a computer?
Yeah.
So I actually knew how to use a computer when I was little when I was in Bangladesh. So yeah, I have my own computer over here in this room. I use the computer and this opportunity. So yeah.
Okay.
Well, I know many things to do, like play games in it, like Animal Jam, Prodigy, cool math games, chess, checkers. Not good at chess, but anyway. I can also play.
Well, she's not good at that robot one.
Yeah, I always lose at the robot. I can also play tic-tac-toe, Connect 4.
Let's connect
Oh,
for.
that's something. Fireboy and Water Girl.
What?
A lot of games. So yeah. Next question.
Why do you like Prodigy?
Oh, the reason why I like Prodigy is because it's eventually a math game. I started it.
I hate math.
I know you do. I started it in, last year.
And
but
sometimes
eventually-
you kind of fail.
Yes, but I don't get mad when when I fail because it's just a game, and
And it doesn't matter if you fail or not.
yeah. So you have your own account, and yeah. So and you get to battle a lot of monsters, finish worlds, and luckily, if you finish a lot of worlds, you get the gems. Because I finished 3 worlds.
Okay, pasa.
So I'm finishing like 2 more. And then-
Are you still on cloud? That cloud thingy?
Yes, I am still. So yeah, and it helps you it helps you brighten your brain too. So yeah. Next question.
Why are you so good playing tic-tac-toe?
Oh, it's just it takes,
Or even sometimes I win.
well, it takes a lot of practice. You got to think through your brain where you
See?
where you're like where you wanna like put your X or O in. So yeah, that's how you play. So last and final question before I end the Q&A. Go.
Why are you so good at singing?
Oh, that's just no biggie. I just like singing, but I love dancing more. I can bust out some moves, but I'm too shy to show, and yeah. So yeah, that's the end of my Q&A. So I'll see you next time. Bye.